Hey there, here's how to find the model for your LG Smart TV. All we need to do is press and hold that settings button. This will launch the main menu. Once here, we'll use the directional pad and we'll go down to support. On arrival, go across to the right and head down this list and keep going until you see TV information. Go across, and the first line is device name, and directly beneath that is the model. So you can take a photograph of that if you need to keep that. There's also a second way to get the model, and that is to look at the back of the TV. Now you'll see things there like the serial number, but in amongst it, you'll also see the model. So I hope this has been useful, and if it has, please give the video a thumbs up as it really helps me out. I'd really appreciate that. Thanks a lot for watching, and I wish you a great day ahead.